So there are two ways of introducing someone in Bisaya. So you can just say si and then the name of that person, or if you're in the middle of a conversation and basically saying by the way, so you can use the phrase maudi ay ni si and then the name. So for examples, I'm going to introduce someone to my parents. So I can say ma pa si Matthew akong anak. Or if I'm with my friends, I can say, and Jen, si Matthew, akong anak. Or I can say the other way using the phrase maudi ay ni si, ma pa, maudi ay ni si Matthew, akong anak. Or Ven, Jen, maudi ay ni si Matthew, akong anak. So try to practice that and with your family or loved ones using the phrase maudi ay ni si or just saying si and then your relation to that person. And then that's it for today. This is Teacher Joanne. Hanggang sa sunod. Salamat!